This video is to help you avoid making mistakes in your finances. When many people think about investing, they think of the stock market. Most think of other get-rich schemes like PONZI or multi-level marketing, MLM. Investing can be intimidating to many, a complex process with a tough learning curve. If you are already making money or earning an income, you might be looking for a more sustainable way to build wealth, or you may be looking for a way to generate passive income. Whichever of those scams you fall into, real estate investing fits the bill. A Ponzi scheme is a scam where victims are enticed into investing in an entity that doesn't exist. Ponzi scheme operators recruit unsuspecting individuals by promising that they would get rich quick by putting money into a promising business or exclusive investment platform. This money is never actually invested, but ends up as a profit for the fraudsters or small payments for early investors to provide the illusion of growth. This business revolves around the fraudsters robbing Peter to pay Paul and self-sustains until there aren't any new investors or when the victims ask for their money back. The system completely crashes, and the biggest losers are those that joined later, those that invested huge sums they no longer have access to, and those that kept investing both their capital and returns because they erroneously thought that such a Ponzi scheme would be long-lasting. The MLM is a little similar to the Ponzi scheme. The MLM scheme starts with one investor who entices others by promising them high returns on investment. Those second-round investors make a payment to the initial investor in exchange for the ability to entice others that will pay them. As more and more people get enticed into the system, the MLM scheme begins to grow and expand. As the pyramid grows, the investment returns get smaller and smaller until eventually there are no more returns. So people stop buying in, and then the scheme collapses, leaving those at the bottom with the biggest losses. According to Carlo Aja, the CEO of AfriSwiss Capital Assets Management Limited, any investment that guarantees and offers to double your investment in 1 week or month or year by trading in cryptocurrency, stocks, or currency is fraudulent. Guaranteed 100% fraudulent. Remember, fraudulent schemes will pay you stated interest to lure you in. Flee! In gambling, they call it sure banker. He continues to say, listen, if I found a way to double $10 to $20 every week, why would I ask you to invest and I pay you a return? I will simply borrow $10 from you and pay back. Now let's stop here. The point Carlo is trying to make here is that no man that ever finds a way to double his money will inform others so that they do not spoil the business for him. What they do at most is borrow some money from you and double it for themselves. Now, because they know you would love the idea of having your money doubled, they entice you with incredible promises, collect your money, force you to entice others in, and the cycle continues. When the system eventually crashes, you might be the cause someone lost his money even if you saved all of yours. Perhaps you enticed someone that enticed another person to invest into the platform. A big win to you, but a big loss to the other. The fraudster can go on to create another fraudulent system because he has an enabler that ensures that the system lasts for some time to defraud another set of people. You are an enabler as long as you keep on investing in a fraudulent system. The society becomes a conundrum of get-rich-quick schemes. Some people say they would rather first invest in Ponzi or MLM, and when they cash out, they will invest the proceeds into real estate. What if you never cash out? If you cash out, you might actually be an enabler, sadly. Real estate is a long-lasting, surest investment approach than the PONZI. Here is why. Number one, you are your own boss and you control your own investment scheme. Nobody tells you to invest and refer other people to earn a percentage of your already invested money. In real estate, there is nothing like subservient partnership. Dividends are earned based on your contributing amount or percentage in any real estate partnership. You know and understand the basics of what you are investing your money into. Number two, real estate has a predictable and recurring cash flow for as long as you like. You can predict with almost 100% accuracy the amount of money you can get or you can expect to get in a real estate investment because you have total control and the dynamics of real estate demand and supply is always in your favor. Number three, real estate appreciates in values. According to the National Association of Realtors, appreciation levels for real estate assets have been 6% every year since 1968, including during the economic downturn of 2007 to 2008. Number four, real estate provides equity buildup. Most real estate is purchased with a small down payment, with the balance of the money being provided by a lender through a process known as debt financing. As you pay up the price of the real estate, you build up more equity till you own the property completely. You get to own a physical asset that will eventually become a cash cow for you. Number five, real estate can be leveraged. Leverage means using something to its maximum advantage. Every building block of a real estate asset can be used to the highest possible advantages. Number six, real estate is improvable. One of the most attractive advantages of real estate is that it is improvable. Because real estate is a tangible asset made of wood, bricks, concrete, and glass, you can improve the value of any property by just changing some parts, repainting or renovating, and you can see the pricing shoot up to the skies. So, unlike the get rich quick schemes, you can make your real estate worth more by improving it. We have come to the end of today's episode. Now, thanks for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so you never miss a video that could change your life. Like and share to your friends and family so that we all could build our real estate portfolio together. Don't leave anyone behind.